Hey folks, so now we're thrilled to have Shazad Ismaily. Came all the way in from New York City tonight, but he's originally from Scranton area. He still has some family all around. And if you haven't yet, pick up the Electric City, which is in the back of the, well actually the front of the gallery there by the door, and read his interview, which Electric City just did this past week. So Shazad's going to do a solo set for you now. Shazad Ismaily.
So I brought a few instruments with me this evening. I'm intending to play an improvised set, and I'm just going to ask for one thing from all of you, which is not to applaud at all. During any of it, during the ending of it, no applause. Then after I finish my set, still no applause. Then Chess Smith will play his set. We'll take a break, switch, move things around, etc., etc. Okay, thanks. Oh, and other than as opposed to applause, if anyone has any questions afterwards, you're welcome to ask them. I'll just sit here for a moment, talk.